It's more than just a ride. It's freedom, passion, and community. That's exactly why I created BikerHive, to bring that brotherhood and that love for the road into one place. We all been there, needing to find a place to buy a bike, rent one for the weekend, get repairs or roadside assistance somewhere in the wilderness. And let's be honest, it's a hassle. Hunting down services, jumping between websites, calling around. It takes time. And that should be simple. Or maybe you have a business that you want to promote and help fellow two-wheel brothers on the road. So I present you a solution. BikerHive, a hive for every rider. You will find moto listings, rent, road assistance, and repair services. It's built for riders by a rider. So, if you're new to the community or a long-time biker, this site was made with you in mind. The idea is to have everything that can help in one place. Of course, site is new and the road ahead is long, but I know that by working, my goal will be achieved, to help and connect riders. Also, I want with this idea promote motorcycles for younger generation. Riding bikes is way better than sitting in front of a screen all day and doing nothing. Burnt dinosaur juice, not your life. I didn't want to make it as just a website. I want to connect, build a stronger community for all of us who share this passion. In essence, no matter where you ride, what you ride, or why you ride, at the end of the day, we're a family. And BikerHive is here to make life on two wheels easier, better, and more connected. So check out BikerHive, list your bike or services, and grow this hive one rider at a time. And don't forget to use code BikerHive100 to get 100% off of every ad. It is valid until February 28th. Ride safe and welcome to Hive family. Subscribe if you see value in my work, like, and let me know in the comments what I can improve.